Welcome in a business guide. My name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can easily form your own LLC in Arizona. So the first thing that we're going to do is just scroll down below to the description of the video and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get right here in Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that's going to help you and will guide you through the whole process of creating your own LLC in Arizona. And why do I recommend it, and why do I recommend that you shouldn't do it alone, is that I believe that you should always focus on the business, on making the money, providing value to the people, and not managing accounting and also creation for the company. So the first thing that you want to do here when you're going to enter the Incfile is just go to Services, Form an LLC, or click here, Start My Business. When you're going to be here, you're going to choose the LLC, and then Arizona. Now here, you're gonna have three options here as a packages: silver, gold, and platinum. I'm going to talk to you about what are some differences there. I don't recommend going with a silver only because it's limited. You have the preparing, filling the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. That's what you have in every single plan. But here, you got also IRS form, business tax number, operating agreement, business tax consultation, unlimited phone and email support if something is not clear to you that you can contact Incfile. So banking resolution, online access dashboard, and like for me, the middle way is the best way. Many times it is the same in life. So I would choose the gold, but you can also choose the platinum. Of course, you can choose the silver if you want to. And with platinum, you're gonna have the expedited filling. So the filling would be faster, not like 2-3 weeks, but let's say few days. Then you're gonna have the business contract templates here and domain name business email. So all of that you're gonna have in the platinum version. You can choose that if you want to. Now I will press the middle way. You can go with me to with the middle or platinum. I will go gold. And here I'm going to the first name, last name, email, and phone. So I'll go Marcus Stonelius. Here I'm going to add my number. Okay. And email. Like this. Now I'm going to add a street address. I'm going to use the city, state, Arizona, and zip code is okay. And I'm going to press next. So when you're going to fill everything, you just wait here, and now you see it here. So you can go with the 3 weeks filling time or 4 business day filling time. I'm going with the 3 weeks, but of course you can choose the 4 business days if you are in a hurry. Now I'm going to the LLC name. This is the name of your company. So I'm going to create my own, the company that I already have, which is called Sunwe. But again, you can choose your own if you want to. So you can have it, let's say, I don't know, Jessica Hair Salon LLC, or like, I don't know, you choose that. Then you're going to find a designator here. So you're going to choose the LLC limited company. I will go with the LLC. Number of members, owners. If you're going to press 2, you will have to go like 70-30, 50-50. You will have to in the future add a percentage. I'm going to choose the 1 here. Then business purpose, you're going to write here unto 100 characters left the brief description. So let's say our company will focus on a video production and marketing services. And I can click here, industry keyword marketing. So marketing consulting services. Then I'm going to have the company address information. So here you have option to have the professional business address virtual mail service. If you want to, you can go with this. Maintain privacy by using commercial address, unlimited scan incoming mail, a physical address for your business, instant alerts. I will go with my own, but again, you can choose the virtual mail service and professional business address. Again, I don't know in what situation are you in, but if you want to, you can go that way. and then provide the address that you would like listed as your company address. I'm going to choose that we added in the beginning. Then press continue, and here you have it, guys. So this is the service package that I was talking to you about, is that you have options to have the expedite filling service, business contract templates, domain name and business email address. All of that you can choose if you want to, and you can get the upgraded bonus or no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. Again, you choose that, and when you got it, you go further, and here you're gonna fill the members. So if you have, excuse me, if you're gonna have multiple members, you're gonna have the member one and company. So here I'm going to choose myself as an individual, but you can of course choose the company. And then you're gonna have the ownership here. Then press next. When you're gonna press next, you're gonna have the registered agent information. Here, you can see Arizona requires an LLC to appoint a registered agent. And you see that only Incfile offers 1 full year of registered agent service for free. My recommendation is have it on and focus actually on the business, and don't focus on do it here by yourself. But if you want and you want to save money, you can go that way too. Now we go on further for next. And then you're gonna have the in-text identification number. So I will have choose my name here and just write here the SSN number. If you are for an individual, you're just gonna press yes, and then you will continue. And physical street address is the same. Click next. Then what you can do, you can have your own, set up a small business banking. So earn 100 to 500 bonus for your business. And if you want to, you can do that. I don't recall, it's up to you if you want to have it or no. And Bank of America small business specialist will contact you. Click next. Here you're gonna have the tax strategy free consultation. This is something that I would definitely recommend for you to have, so you have the overview of your own company. So let's say yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation. Click next. And then you're gonna have we've identified 2 licenses for a consulting business in Arizona. So as a business owner, you are responsible for making sure your business has the proper federal, state, and local licenses. So let's say, yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. Again, I would recommend to have it, so you don't have to do it by yourself, but if you want, you can do it by yourself. And please provide the address below where you would like us to research the required licenses and permits. Use this address. And then you're gonna have the state information, entity type. This is the review, the summary of your order. And when you're gonna fill everything here, press next. And then you're gonna have the country here. So you can simply choose the street address, the card number, and everything. And when you're gonna do it, just press complete and pay, and you're good to go. And on the right side, you would find the charge total and everything. You have the gold package, platinum package, domain email service for free, registered agent, and Incfile will contact you and will give you all the important information. So this is pretty much it, how we can form your own LLC in Arizona. If you can have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.